Hey guys, just checking in. I haven't seen you this week, and I guess I'm not going to because of star testing. But I did want to make sure you understood, the assignments that you have for today, which will be May 6th. If you would go to the green folder that says Star Review / Living Well. And in here, you've got a couple of things. You have your end of the year stamp sheet, which I'm about to talk about. I imagine if you open this up, you've figured out pretty quickly what it is, but just to be sure, I'll go through that with you really quick. And then most of you did your your Tuesday assignment when I was off campus and we kind of had the additional asynchronous day or substitute on campus. So I appreciate you guys following directions on that one. Today, if you are on campus taking the science star test, then you are exempt from this assignment. Your attendance today is based on your participating in the star test. But if you have elected to not come on campus, your attendance will be based on your completion of this assignment. So essentially, it is very much like the assignment you did on Tuesday. Your attendance is your submission, right, of the assignment. So let's go ahead and open up the stamp sheet first. And I do need you to open this assignment because if you don't open it, then I can't put stamps in it. And that would be helpful if I could put stamps in it. So go ahead and go to that green folder, the star review folder, and open up the end of year stamp sheet. And you're going to go to like my documents and find the document and then click edit so that you can actually, work in it. And it's going to look like this. It's going to look like this right here. So you've got 8 assignments. Today, it says Science Star, your attendance earns a stamp. Star lesson number 1 for non-testers. Submit the star lesson Google form for your stamp. So I will put a stamp here once I see that you have submitted that. This is also our calendar for the rest of the year, guys. You can basically see starting next week what we're covering. So we are starting our Living Well unit, which was formerly known as Ortho 8. Your grown-ups all got an email about that, and they had the option to either opt you out to do an alternative curriculum. I haven't gotten any of those, so we're all doing it. It is a little different this year. It's much shorter, just based on everybody being virtual and all that. So we've buddied it up with body systems because you guys did not do body systems at the end of 7th grade. We were in lockdown at that point. So we're going to make sure that you get that before you go to biology next year as 9th graders, okay? So you'll do a short Living Well lesson. Your first one will be on puberty and anatomy. And then we're going to do the muscular system and the skeletal system. And then we'll just kind of go through all of our Living Well lessons, and they always will be buddied up with a body system. So like you'll do parental responsibility, and then your body systems will be cardiovascular and respiratory, and we'll kind of work our way through that. You have to do both parts to get your stamp for that day. So you can't just skip the puberty and anatomy lesson and just do the body systems. You have to do them both, okay? That's what earned you the stamp. You can kind of go through and read, what we're doing, and then we do end with some more star tests at the end. So that kind of process that we're going through today. All right. So let's go back to the folder. We're going to click on stamp number 1, star review lesson. That's the one that you'll do today, Thursday, May 6th. You can read the instructions here. There's also a link that'll go directly to the form. But if you want the full instructions, kind of the way I tend to give you your stuff so that things are really bold and, pretty obvious, then you can open up the assignment and you will have your instructions and then your link to get to the Google form that you'll need to do, which will count as both stamp number 1 and, of course, your attendance for today. So make sure that gets done by 11:59. If you don't do it by 11:59, I can't count you present. I can still give you a stamp for the assignment, but I can't go back and change your attendance. So it's really important that this gets done, at the appropriate time. So to today, May 6th, you got to have that done by midnight. If you don't, on Thursday when I come in to do the attendance, I don't see your form submitted, then I can't count you present for that day, and I can't go back and fix it. There's nothing for me to base it on. That's the part where you have to come in and do your work. Okay. All right. I just wanted to talk a little bit about that stamp sheet because I know it was in the folder and some of you opened it. But if you haven't opened it, definitely need you to, because if you don't open it, I can't put stamps in it, right? So let's take care of that. And I will see you next Monday for an actual class, okay? Alrighty. Bye, guys.